Alright guys, in this video we are demonstrating how to load programs into a real Microtronic using our new Microtronic second generation. So the Microtronic second generation has just gotten a new feature which allows it to upload programs stored on SD card into the real Microtronic. In order to do so, we only have to connect the 4 inputs of the Microtronic to the 4 dot outputs of the Microtronic second generation emulator, and also I have connected the ground wire. So I changed the firmware a little bit in order to support this. We are now at version 13 as of today, and let me turn on the light again. Alright, so in order to load the program into the Microtronic, I'm using PGM1, and at that point I now also have to arm the real Microtronic to receive the program. So see, that is the just making sure the memory is empty. Hold PGM5 clears the memory, right? All zeros, okay. Hold PGM5 again, and now I'm arming it for load. Hold PGM1. It's now waiting for the program from cassette, in this case from our cassette emulator, and I'm loading the primes program. That should take a while. Okay, there it is. I hit enter, and now it asks me whether it wants to should upload it into the 2090, emulating the 2095 interface. So I just say yes now, and there we see the program, and there we see how it's being transmitted. You see that the input is arriving and the LEDs are blinking. So that's a big program. That'll take a while. Let's just wait for this. It's about 3 minutes or so. So I'll pause the video now, and we are still not completely loaded, but I'm continuing the video now. I think it goes into the DF address or something like this, so we are close. Let's just wait a few more minutes, and then the program should be in our real Microtronic. You'll notice that the third opcode digit is always 0. That's because, okay, there we are, because it's loaded slowly. Okay, so we should have the primes program now in our Microtronic. Let's give it a try. Alright, there it is. So with A I can actually see, right? First prime number is 1, which is wrong, of course. We know that's a bug in the program. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Alright, seems to work. And at the same token, it has also been loaded into the Microtronic second generation emulator, so we can also run the program here. And there it is. Change the display mode. 1. And the light was turned off again. 2, 3, 5. Alright, there you have it. The 2095 cassette interface emulator implemented in our new Microtronic second generation as a feature for a real Microtronic.